Whoever said a healthy meal can't be delicious? Hey everybody, Mike here with Yucateco. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to show you how to make a meal that is both healthy and delicious. We get into those times a year where we just want to reset and do something healthy and feel healthy. Maybe it's after the holidays or after a big party. And this meal is going to help to get you back on track. But you do not have to sacrifice flavor to have a healthy meal. Now, don't forget, as always, I'm going to have all the details for this recipe down in the video description. So just click down there to see everything you're going to need to know to put this together. Start by choosing your favorite veggies. Today, we're going to be using onion, broccoli, and carrot. After you get everything cut up, go ahead and give your broccoli and carrots a quick rinse. We are now going to make an Yucateco flavored oil. So we're going to start with about a half a cup of olive oil. To that, we're going to be adding a homemade seasoning. This is equal parts, 1 teaspoon each, of salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. And of course, we're going to add the magic ingredient to this, the Yucateco green. Just add about 1 to 2 ounces of that depending on your preference. Then give that a good mix. Now the Yucateco green goes great on chicken, trust me on this. Next, we're going to prepare the chicken by trimming it up and cutting off any unwanted areas. Then transfer all of that to a baking tray, and we're going to drizzle and dab this oil all over this chicken and these veggies. Once everything is coated well, we're going to get this into the oven at 325 degrees for about 45 minutes. You just want to cook your chicken to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the deepest, coolest part of the center. Once you remove it from the oven, allow it to rest for just a few minutes. It will rest up to a final finishing temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Just look at how beautiful that is. Now garnish this with a little bit of parsley, and it is time for my favorite part of the video. That is perfectly cooked. Cheers, everyone. Let's give these veggies a try too. The flavor in this is awesome. The Yucateco green really shines and brings out all the flavor in these veggies and the chicken. And if you're looking for a healthy weeknight meal, this is it. Now, if you've got a healthy recipe that you like to make, leave it down in the comments. Maybe we'll recreate it here on the channel. Don't forget to like this video. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.